Hey there my lovelies, and welcome back to my channel, you guys. I hope you're doing well and you're ready for tons of real life cleaning, laundry motivation, and mom life cleaning, because I have quite a bit for you and I'm ready to get this all cleaned up and organized. Then hopefully we can get all of our chores done and relax for the rest of the day. So if y'all are ready to tackle this mess with me, let's get started.
I just wanna hold you one last time, hold you.
Wanted to let y'all know that I had gotten my hair done. Yep, it's all done, completely different, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys, but you won't see it on here until next week. However, if you're following me on Instagram, which I hope that you are, but if you're not, head over to my Instagram, Mrs. Jessica Savage, and give me a follow there as well. I'll be sharing a TikTok video of my hair transformation. The stylist was able to do the entire process in one day, and it literally took about 5 hours to do. No joke, but I couldn't be any happier with what she did. So again, if you're not following me already, be sure to head over to my Instagram, Mrs. Jessica Savage, give me a follow, and wait for my hair transformation video. I'll be posting it today in the afternoon, probably after this video.
Hold you like your mind, oh it's over, almost over. For a second, let's forget and pretend, 'cause I just wanna hold one last time, hold you like we're fine, though it's over, almost over. Yeah, the final chapter's starting to end. Promise you everything that I do is for you. Don't say bye, just not yet, and just say nothing at all, 'cause you just wanna hold me one last time, hold me like your mind, though it's over, almost over. For a second, let's forget and pretend, 'cause I just wanna hold you one last time, hold you like we're fine, though it's over, almost over. Yeah, the final chapter's starting to end.
I got it all in one swoop. I was not coming back for extra clothes. All in one take. I think I've been making that a goal for myself. How much clothes I can pull out of the dryer in one take. So far, I've been getting better and better, but I truly need to get a basket that I can load everything from the dryer into. I've been looking into the one that is a circle, but the frame is metal, and it has 4 wheels on the bottom, like our little 4-compartment laundry sorter. So whatever I decide to get, I'll be showing that to you guys, because if it's working as good as that hamper sorter, then y'all will have to switch up your laundry accessories and get these too.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep.
That reminds me, I had gotten a lot of requests to share the review on the 4-compartment laundry sorter that I had recently purchased from Amazon.com. If y'all been following me for a while, you would know that I've always struggled in that laundry room because I would have stuff everywhere and it was not really organized. Now, mind you, I still have quite a bit of stuff in there, but it's a bit more organized and we no longer have piles of laundry on the floor. So with that being said, that 4-compartment laundry sorter has been a lifesaver, a good organizer, and has taught my kids to take their dirty clothes to the hamper to get washed. Not only has it provided me less stress, but has allowed me washing and drying to go faster. I'm no longer guessing on how much laundry to put in the washer. Those laundry hamper assortment bags literally hold the amount of one washing load to do, which has been fantastic. So I would only have 4 loads to do. Actually, I would have 5 loads to do because I would have those 4 in the hamper and the extra basket of Chris's dirty poop clothes from work. Also, I wanted to imply the compliment that Chris had given to me about the laundry last week, which was he had noticed how full his underwear drawer was. He started to thank me even more on how consistently there was clean clothes in his drawers and in the closet. I said, "You're welcome, but don't thank me. Thank the laundry assortment hamper." It has allowed me to keep on top of things a lot quicker. So I would highly recommend for you guys to get that too.
Just loving this moment. Can't we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
So let me take this time to truly introduce myself because I've noticed I've gained quite a following these last few weeks. Also, after hitting 1,000 subscribers, the numbers have just been flowing up for me. So thank you for all of those who have subscribed to our YouTube family, and hello to those who are just tuning in. My name is Jessica Savage. I'm a mom to 3 kids who are Christopher, Alyssa, and Dylan. Christopher is my 14-year-old teen, Alyssa is 11, and Dylan is 7 years old. My babies are growing up so fast, but we got lots of plans coming our way to make a lot more memories and to share with you guys along the way. I married my high school sweetheart, Chris, and we've been together for 15 years now. Wow, 15 years, you guys. Amazing, huh? We own a farm out back with ducks and chickens who keep us occupied constantly, but also provide us with fresh eggs, so you can imagine how wonderful that is, unless you own a farm of your own. If you don't, you need to have one. Lastly, I love to do these videos because not only does it keep me occupied and out of my own mind from depression and anxiety, it makes me feel good to know that I can motivate and inspire others, help you guys in any way that I can so you're not struggling alone, and show you that it's okay to not be okay because everyone goes through it. But it always gets better and we're here to help one another. Alright, now that we've gotten the bedroom all cleaned up and organized and done a little bit of laundry, we're now going to take care of our master bathroom before working on the next load of laundry to fold and put away. However, I hope all of you are still with me, enjoying all of this cleaning motivation and getting a lot done with your chores today.
I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, how you'd react to me. So much differently, I am different. Every time that I look back, I see my fortune. Would you react to me? We are reacting so much differently.
As I had mentioned before, that laundry hamper has allowed me to not struggle anymore, and I've had less stress with the laundry. I don't dread washing and drying clothes anymore because it's become a much faster chore to do, and nor am I overflowing with laundry baskets in each of my kids' rooms. It's weird. I don't know how else to explain it besides relaying to you what Chris had told me. He says maybe it's because now all of it is located in one spot, and this is the one spot that you always come to. I was like, you think so? He says, yes, you're no longer forgetting because it's all been moved into here. So now you could focus in here and get it all done at one point in time. Does that make sense to you, ladies? So instead of me stressing, wondering, and having to check all the rooms and dreading the kids' laundry baskets, I now can have a clearer mind when I wash my clothes because everything is brought into this room for me. Y'all have seen the before of my kids' baskets, and they are a disaster. I don't know what it was, but I would literally struggle with getting their clothes washed, and maybe it was due to how much I would see in there. So I could have been overwhelmed and just end up not wanting to do it all. But on top of that, they weren't providing the help that I needed and just letting their clothes overflow, and then they keep piling their clothes on top of it and not bring it into the laundry room because it was such a heavy basket. Well, now none of that can be done since we've changed the process and the routine. It's just as simple as bringing it to the room and keeping on top of it on a daily basis have become a much smaller chore than how I used to do it.
You, we're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Ain't no one stopping you, stopping you.
I apologize for the lighting that you're going to see in this video go on and off as I'm folding clothes here in our master bedroom. The camera was not wanting to hold the light, and I believe it was because I honestly didn't have my extra light going on at the time, and being in front of this window was not helping it either. So again, I'm sorry if you get real dark spots, real bright spots, and then normal spots. The camera couldn't make up its mind.
The way you are, the way you are. Oh. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do.
All right, you guys, I think I'm going to come to a stopping point right here because I have quite a few other things to take care of, not related to chores. So this is all I was able to get done for today, but at least it was something and not anything at all, right? Thank you so much for watching and joining me on this clean with me because I truly appreciate having each and every one of you here. I'm so thankful for all of the love and support you've been giving to us. It means so much to me and I cannot thank you enough. Remember to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and remember to head over to my Instagram, Mrs. Jessica Savage, and follow me there as well. You don't want to miss the video on my hair transformation, but you also don't want to miss the daily IG stories that I share of our lifestyle, our farm life, and all that I do while being a stay-at-home mom. So we'd love to have you there to connect with us and to see all of our motivational and inspirational posts too. Again, thank you so much for watching. So I guess I will see you again right back here with a brand new video. Bye, you guys.